6 Network, where the news comes first.
Good morning and welcome back to News 6 Saturday Morning. Well, it is the 20th anniversary of the personal computer, and believe it or not, since its inception, there's been a 30,000% increase in the power of what you have in your home. Take a look at this. Here's the basic transistor, and hard to believe there are 42 million of those on this Pentium 4 chip. Well, where's that going in the future? I've got Paul Sullivan from Intel. Paul, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Bud.
All right, there's the question. Where is it going from here?
Well, back in 1965, our co-founder Gordon Moore had observed that we could double the number of transistors every 18 to 24 months and exponentially improve the performance of the machines on a regular basis. A few months ago, we actually developed a way to build the world's smallest transistor.
Okay.
And with that, we believe within 10 years, we'll actually be at 400 million transistors.
Wow.
And a whopping 10 billion instructions per second, or 10 billion cycles per second.
That's faster than my little process.
It's a little bit faster and probably more organized than any of us have right now.
Now, you know, all of this power, will the actual interface become simpler to use? Is that where we're going in the future?
That's part of what drives the acceptance of technology. As the user interfaces become more acceptable and easier to use, more users get into the game and start using these systems. What we anticipate happening in the next number of years is that the systems will become more voice-oriented.
Okay.
They'll be recognizing your voice, so that instead of just being a tool or a toy in your home, you'll now have a way to instruct the PC to actually run some functions in the home, whether it's security or lighting or heating, but it will be voice-activated, very simple, very natural language.
It'll be much easier, again, and transparent, I guess, in its usage.
Absolutely.
That's important. This is a concept model that you brought with you. About how long will it actually take to get to market?
Well, we've actually got a number of designs on the drawing board. We've been working with a number of companies, so you will start to see these PCs coming out most likely in the next 5 to 6 years. As the silicon shrinks, as the geometries inside the system shrink, we'll be able to pack more and more into these, and they're becoming more aesthetic.
Okay.
This can fit into the living room, the kitchen, and a lot of
Exactly.
areas where you can't normally put
Okay,
these
Paul, in
things.
30 seconds or less, parents, listen up. What do you look for in a computer now if you're going to buy one?
You look for the highest performance capability you can get today, because you want it to last. You want it to be an educational toy for your children.
So speed of the processor.
Speed of the processor is very important. Today we've got a 1.7 gigahertz or billion instructions per second microprocessor, a lot of memory, 128 megabytes, 40 gigabytes of hard disk.
Buy as much as you can. You can always upgrade, but buy it now.
Absolutely.
You got it. That's it. Paul, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
20 years from now, where will we be? I can't wait to see it.
You are tuned to the News 6 Network, where the news comes first.
Good morning. Welcome back to News 6 Saturday Morning. You know, there are just so many weddings going on here. I mean,